shine? There's nothing like polished flatware.
Thanks! It's perfect! Now I'll just do this!
Stop! My nice clean spoon!
Yeah,
Whoa.
there we go. What are you doing? I figured out how to lure Dino! Of course! Remember? Minchino just draws to clean up anything that's dirty.
No, my beautiful clean spoon.
I wonder if this is gonna work.
Huh?
What did I tell you? You were right. Eva. It sure doesn't like the dirt. Here we go! I did it! I caught Minchino! Hey, Minchino! You can't just walk away. Come back! Oh no, it's gone!
It's got my spoon, too.
It's just like I thought. Battling's the only way to get Minchino.
Battle? But we're at a disadvantage.
We'll get taken out by Tickle again at close range.
I'll handle it. Don't worry.
There's Minchino over there.
And it's got your badge piece too. Okay, Ash, it's all up to you.
Huh?
Got it. Right. Snivy, I choose you.
Wow, Ash has all sorts of Pokemon, doesn't he?
What else do you have besides Pig Knight?
Only Pignite.
Oh,
You're kidding, right? Hey, using Flame Charge by itself is good enough to win a lot.
how long have you been on your journey?
I've done a lot of training at home, but my journey's brand new. You see, my father didn't want me to leave, like he's worried about me traveling and everything.
Protected like a vintage wine.
Or a princess, right? Right! I've only got 2 badges. Well, it's one more than Ash has.
Snivy, attract.
Attract?
Good strategy.
Yeah, attract should keep Minchino from moving around so quickly. Minchino dodged it.
Is that what I think it is?
Oh man, I had no idea Minchino could use attract as well. Now Snivy's turn. You'll do it? Okay, it's up to you.
It's Pikachu's turn.
Since they're both boys, attract won't do a thing.
I can't wait.
Pikachu, use Iron Tail. Go.
He's trained, he's battled, and it's all led up to this. Now, with 8 badges in hand, Ash is ready for the battle of his life. But nothing has prepared him for what lies ahead. Facing new opponents, new adversaries, and an adventure so exciting, there's no telling where the journey will lead. Pokemon Black and White, Adventures in Unova.
So how good does it feel to save on your commercial auto insurance with good?
Good as having a great hammer.
Check justice.
Just put it up.
It feels good to get your savings on. It feels good to Geico.
Why settle for one thing when you can be both? Like new Twix bits. Twix bit. 2 is more than 1.
Welcome back, friends. Today we're unboxing Charmin Ultra Soft Smooth Tear. Wow.
Alright, basically, this is one of my favorite maximals. Say hello to Dino Bot. Yes, that is his name. If you ask me, this guy might be a descendant of the original Dinobots.
Multivitamin can do. Like support you as you perfect a new trick. Taking Centrum Silver daily is clinically proven to help slow cognitive aging in older adults. You did it.
This time, I know I can become a Pokemon master.
Pokemon Black and White.
Let's explore the Unova region and discover amazing new Pokemon like we've never seen before. I can't wait to catch them all. Come on, Pikachu, let's start a brand new adventure. Unova has so many new Pokemon to battle and catch.
His beast mode is a Mega Raptor. Kind of like the one I originally drawn in one of my other episodes. There we go. That's him, folks.
Pikachu, quick attack, let's go!
Pikachu's trying to keep pace with Machino's speed.
Pikachu, Iron Tail, one more time!
Dinobot maximize.